Yo, this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And I'm just trying to contain my pain, trying to imagine that I don't feel any pain in my knee. But this is Pokemon Masters, and we're doing co-op events. Dragon type training event. Face the Fateful Winged Dragon. Sounds very nice. Quick connect. We're using Lance.
Need a hand?
We're using Drake.
Let us press on.
And we're using... Let's just put Iris there for the sake of seeing how much experience we get. But I think Lance will be enough to kill them all. And with that said, let's begin. This is hard. I don't think you can actually get Lance right now if you haven't gotten Lance. But he'll be back, guys. I don't have Leaf, I don't have Ethan, I don't... Yeah, just those two. Sync Orb Chance. And with that said, Hyper Beam. Should be dead very soon. Should I use it now or never? Yeah.
Well played. That'll do it.
Don't care about the others. Let's just kill with one more Hyper Beam. And this match is over. Hyper Beam! Pugoon! You're still alive? What the frick? And you're dead. And that's it. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. I don't think we got that Sync Orb though.
Excellent. Victory is ours.
And nice. We finished hard of co-op Dragon type training events. Next would be very hard. And if you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with Master the Stern but Ferocious Dragon. Weird names. Rawr.